Hey guys, so I finally finished installing my remote starter, and it actually works with the original factory key fob. So, the car is unlocked, so all I have to do is hit the lock button 3 times to make it work. So that's just locked. So 1, 2, and you can see how the lights are on and the car turns on. And then the benefit of using this bypass system was so I can just walk up to the car, unlock it, and the car actually unlocks itself. I don't have to turn the car off and then unlock it, get back in and restart it again. And as you guys can see, the car is actually on now. And then all I have to do is hit the brake pedal and the car will turn itself off. Or I can just go in here. I can go in here, put the key in, turn into that position, and I'm ready to go, and I can drive off. And then if I see, I took it out, but then if I hit the brake pedal, the car would turn itself off. And then I would have to restart it again. And that's it. Hopefully everybody likes the video. A lot of people had been asking how I installed it. I just uploaded the videos earlier today. So this is just to show how it works from the outside. Thank you. Enjoy.